What's the meaning of arthropod? Arthropod. Arthropod.
Arthropod. Arthropod. An arthropod is a member of the phylum Arthropoda, which includes insects, spiders, crustaceans, and other organisms with jointed limbs and a segmented body. The term arthropod comes from the Greek words arthron, meaning joint, and podos, meaning foot. Arthropods are the most diverse group of animals on Earth, with over 1 million described species, and they play important roles in ecosystems as predators, prey, pollinators, and decomposers. Some arthropods, such as mosquitoes and ticks, can also transmit diseases to humans and other animals.